Welcome to the video tutorials of the book Methods, Evaluation and Research in Education by Mohammad Aktaruzzaman. And today we're going to learn how to facilitate qualitative research using Ethnograph. And it contains two parts. Part 1 is Basics of Qualitative Data Analysis in Ethnograph. Part 2 is Advanced Features of Qualitative Data Analysis in Ethnograph. Let's start with Part 1. Ethnograph is a data analysis tool used in qualitative research. It is developed by the US company Qualys Research. A demo version of Ethnograph 6.0 is included in the DVD. In fact, SPSS is for quantitative and Ethnograph for qualitative data analysis. Ethnograph helps the researcher to organize textual data in such a way that he or she can draw conclusions easily by quickly referring to the key portions of the data collected from each respondent. The installation process of Ethnograph is more than simple, only just by few clicks of the mouse. After installing, 3 folders are created in My Documents under E6 projects. These are Life Satisfaction V5, and Sample Data. To know the basics of Ethnograph, we have utilized the sample data, and to know the advanced features of Ethnograph, which will be discussed in Part 2 of this tutorial, we have utilized the first Life Satisfaction example, not its version 5. Suppose there is a focus group discussion FGD. Just know for the time being that FGD is a useful tool for data collection in qualitative research. In this FGD, the interviewers are denoted as B and J. There are also 4 males as M1, M2, M3 and M4, and 1 female geologist identified by W. All males are often denoted as M1 to M4. The discussion session is converted into 2 files, Group 1 and Group 2. Look at the file Group 1. All the conversations are separately presented using identifiers P, J, W, M1 to M4. Now, see the file Group 2. Here, one paragraph, which is an extension of the talks of the female geologist W, is not started with an identifier. Put a period at the beginning of this paragraph. Now, open Ethnograph, click Project Manager, and then New Project. Type E6 Demo and click OK. Copy the content of Group 1 file. Click the editor icon and paste the content here. Again, click the reformat icon and select the first option. Every paragraph starts with an identifier. Then click OK. Group 1 now looks like the figure at the screen. Click Save to project icon and type Group 1 and then press OK. Now close the editor window. Similarly, copy the content of Group 2 file, paste it in the editor, and reformat it by selecting the 4th option. Non-identifier paragraphs are marked. Save it to the project as Group 2. Close the editor and also the Project Manager window. Now, we have to code the data. It's very simple. Highlighting lines of text with the mouse and attaching a code word to that segment of text. Let's see how it can be done practically. Click the code icon and double-click on Group 1 file. See the text data open at the screen. Now, highlight lines 6 to 15 using the mouse. Now, click the code list icon and type network in the code word edit box. The code word network and its boundary appears in the margin. Similarly, code the lines 17 to 25 as explore, and from lines 25 to 29 as no help, and 31 to 42 as cycle, then 39 to 42 as no help again, and finally from line 44 to 48 as Darwin. See all the code words and their boundary at the screen. These code words are symbolic, and in this example, please do not ask their meanings and justification. The second part of the tutorial will give you all the answers of your questions. Now, close the coding data file window and go back to the main window. Now, click the code book icon. Double-click on Darwin and type its definition at the credit box. For example, survival of the fittest. Now press OK. Here, you can add a new code under the already existing parent code. Let's check it out. Click New Code icon and type No Nutter in the new code word edit box. Press OK. Now click View CVK and select Codebook plus Tree. In this tree at the right side of the window, and click No Nutter and drag it onto Darwin. Close the code book window. Now again, click the code icon and double-click on Group 2 file. See the text data open at the screen. Now, highlight lines 6 to 43 using the mouse and click the code list icon and type No Nutter. Similarly, code the lines 8 to 44 as Y switch and 6 to 17 as Darwin, 20 to 43 as no help, 27 to 34 as Darwin. Now, see all the code words and their boundary at the screen. Now, close the coding data file window and go back to the main window. The main task of the software, Ethnograph, is to search the intended data. To do so, click Search icon. You see the single code search screen. Double-click on Darwin and it appears in the list of selected code words. Click Select All and then Add to Search. See all the code words appear in the list. Click Search icon and see the search results window at the screen. You see the list of segments found on the left side and the first segment on the right side. Double-click on a white line in the list of segments to see another segment. Click the navigation arrows to browse one at a time. You may click View Multi icon to see more than one segment at a time. Click Frequency Table icon and double-click on a cell in the frequency table to see all segments for that cell. Now start a linked code search by clicking on it. Each string can link up to 5 code words with plus and minus not. In the Select Code word list, double-click on Darwin. It appears in row 1, column 1 in the table with a plus sign. Again, double-click on No Help. It appears in row 1, column 2 in the table with a plus sign. Thus, we have now created a linked code search string that searches for all segments defined by both Darwin and No Help. Click the search button and see the segments at the screen. Click row 2, column 1 in the linked codes table. Double-click on Darwin, single-click on No Help, and then click the Not button. Thus, we have now created a linked code search string that searches for all segments defined by Darwin, but not No Help. You can save these linked codes for future use by typing a name in the Saved Link Codes table edit box. For example, Darwin No Help. Now, just click the Save button. Click Search button and see the output for both the strings at the screen. Now, click the Search Codes icon to return to the Search Options window. Let's go for the Identify search by simply clicking on it. See the identifier as Search Code screen. It works the same way as the single code search we have seen few moments back. Double-click on W and it appears in the list of selected code words. Now click Search. See the screen. A list of every time a woman spoke in the focus group is shown in the left, and the first segment of her talks is at the right. Double-click on a white line in the list of segments to see another segment. Click the navigation arrows to browse once at a time. You may click View Multi-icon to see more than one segment at a time. So, for the last couple of minutes, we have seen the basics of qualitative data analysis in Ethnograph. We will learn the advanced features of qualitative data analysis in Ethnograph in part 2 of the tutorial 25. Thank you for staying with us. It's Yazdani saying you goodbye.